Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an fantastic AI tool which has many templates, especially for research writing. So in this, there are many unique templates which is not available in other AI tools. So it has different and unique templates, especially for writing our research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT to get a better content for our research paper. These are all the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So this is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about different types of MATLAB environments and basic syntax, looping, 2D and 3D plotting, PI controller tuning, fuzzy logic toolbox, neural network toolbox, ANFIS toolbox, genetic algorithm and PSO algorithm. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to learn more about MATLAB basics, don't forget to click and register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. Learn more about MATLAB. As EV become popular nowadays, so here is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as source. So in this workshop, we are going to model EV charging station using PV and wind energy sources, and also we are going to explore about different types of MPPT algorithms incorporated in this PV and wind energy sources, and how to track maximum power from both of these renewable sources and how that power extracted from that sources can be useful for EV charging station. So this is a MATLAB workshop about EV charging station. So if you are interested in designing EV charging station is MATLAB, this is a best opportunity. Make use of it and register our online workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So this is the AI tool what we are going to discuss today. So this is seapik. So here go on seapik. So here free AI writer to make your writing shine. So here you can having a option called start writing for free. So click start writing for free. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So these are the different AI writing tools. Here you can see. So popular categories in 15. So for writing alone it has 95 different templates. For business 45, education 32, marketing 40, social that is social media related 11, and others 51. So these are the popular tools where you can see. So some of the popular tools can be useful for us. So paragraph rewriter, research paper writer. So AI writing templates can be customized for all types of essays, make it easy to write high quality academic papers. So here you can see this is research paper writer, AI essay writer. Next one is that Instagram hashtag generator, idea generator, story generator. So next for writing, so you can see these are the important options templates available. So here you can see improve text. Please edit and enhance the text to improve grammar and impact conciseness. Emulate the writing skills. This tool has the ability to imitate the writing style of a given text and convert your own text into very style. So this will be very helpful for us to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So you can make use of this option, emulate the writing style. So next you can see introduction to a story or a novel. So here you can write introduction part of your research paper using this template. So next one is that creating a narrative gradually. So you can narrate your work easily using this. Next you can see reflective essays, combined text. Next open paragraph for a chapter, writer of a prompt. So input a writing prompt and I will craft a 400 to 600 character one shot or a story based on it. So you can create your own prompt using this kind of AI template. Next you can see phrase creator. So produce associative terms derived from a given keyword. Just by giving keyword you can get a phrase for that. So it is also a important option when you are struggling to write a sentence with a particular keyword. So you can make use of this. This is a unique option too, that is a phrase creator. So next paragraph expander, creator of monthly day calendars. So these are normal things which is available. So apart from this, here you can see detailed article writer, next writing assistant for multiple languages, next writing an article, next you can see issue statements, summary of key points. This also will be very helpful for our research paper writing. So next one, sentence expander, next to provide suggestion on writing. So I will provide comments and offer suggestion on papers. So this also will be very helpful for us to analyze your research paper, especially during literature review. So next one is conclusion creator, grant proposals, summarize from link, storytelling innovator, transforming writing into writing in a more natural style. So this will also human like writing. So this will also help us to reduce that whenever our paper is subjected to plagiarism, especially AA plagiarism. So you can use this kind of templates to avoid that that is writing, that is plagiarism in due to AA. So apart from this, you will be having create a phrase, paraphraser, enhance paragraph, write an executive summary, rewrite content. So there are many different options, especially for writing. This is one of the best tool. I can say that this is especially designed for writing. So because for writing alone, in all the form of writing, so it is having the templates. So here you can see grammar checking, next phrase amplifier, produce multitude of sounds, write like Shakespeare. Next business, this is no need for our research paper writing. So here I am going to click education. So in this education, you can see provide a brief summary of your research. So this is one. Next one, assistant for discussion questions, discussion board, research paper summarizer. So this one is very important, research paper summarizer. Next one, generate topics for essay. So this is also as school level, it will be very useful. Next, essay generator for academic purposes. So you can use this also. Next, conclusion, create essay prompts. So these are the things related with education. So apart from this, you will be having different options, marketing, social, etc. So if you are interested in, you can go on and explore. So thereby you will be getting an idea about it. So let us explore with some of the templates. So I have logged in through my mail ID. So after that, I am going to click this research paper writer. So just to click on this research paper writer. So and then you can give a topic. For example, say we often use it to give grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So here you can see it is telling it as a research paper or like that. So I am going to give it as a research paper, academic level or college level. So I am going to researcher, research scholar. So I am going to give research scholar. So word count greater than, so for example, say I am going to give 500. For example, you can give more number of words. So next I am going to select language. Here you can see different types of languages are available. So starting from English, French, so like the Chinese, many languages are available. Next to tone. So here you can see these are the different tones. As we are writing our research paper, I am going to give it as a professional. So these are the things I have given. So and then what you can do is give generate. So let us see how the seapik will generate content for us. So let us wait and see. Here you can see grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station, a comprehensive review and analysis. Here the abstract is generated. So this is the abstract. You can see this paper provides a comprehensive review on analysis of grid connected PV system. So like that, it has generated abstract. After that, it has generated the outline only, because as we have given for 500 words only. So it has generated only the that is what I can say, it is a outline of the particular thesis. So starting from introduction, background, research objective, scope of study, literature review. So in this literature review, you can see grid connected PV system, definition and components, advantages and disadvantages, electric vehicle charging stations. So like that, it has given a detailed outline of the particular research paper. So thereby it will be very helpful for you to make a research paper. So if you are want the more details regarding the particular research paper, so you can increase the number of words, as here only 2000 words is for free. So in order to explore, I have given just 500 words. So if you are interested in this content created by this seapik, so you can go for subscription option and you can give more number of words, for example say 5000 or 6000 words. So it will generate even the content for your research paper also. So apart from this, this is a unique templates. I haven't seen any of the AI tool. Phrase creator, produce associated terms derived from a given keyword. So I am going to give this phrase creator, use this phrase creator. So for example say I am going to give it as a renewable. So word count will be greater than, for example say I am going to give 100. So select output language as English and give your tone as professional and click on generate. So this is one of the unique template where the phrase creator in this produce associative terms derived from a given keyword. So let us see how it will works out, how it will generate. So here you can see around 60 different keywords related with the particular keyword you have given is generated. Sustainable, clean energy, alternative energy source, renewable sources, green energy, solar power, wind energy. So like that it has generated around 60 that is 60 keywords, that is 60 phrases related with the particular word we have given. So like that, if you are struggling to replace a particular word, you can use this phrase creator to replace the word with a phrase. So this will be helpful for you to make a whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so you have to change or shuffle the sentence or shuffle the words present in the particular plagiarized content. So you can use this phrase creator to convert that particular words into a phrases. So thereby you can get a better idea to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So like that you can go on and explore this seapik AI. So this will be one of the best AI tool. So apart from this, here you can see this is an online editor option available in the seapik. Other than you can free photo to upload, so you can upload your photo. Next, background remover. So these are also the options available in the seapik. So as far as our research paper writing is concerned, so here you can have 95 writing templates and 32 templates for education. So use this wisely if you are interested in. There are 2000 words for free, so you can go on and explore with 2000 words, and then you can arrive at a conclusion how this seapik will generate a better content for your research paper. As far as plans and pricing option is concerned, so here you can see 3-day plan. So this is a beautiful option where you can use it for 3 days for just giving $3. So access to all templates, use cases and chatbots, unlimited personal files. So here you can see 7-day plan. So it is just $6. So 1 month or 1 year plan. So you can use this for, that is $4.9 per month. So you can use this for a year. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. So this is one of the best tool. I can suggest the tool to use for your research paper writing. So you can go on and explore the tool and make your research paper writing easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.